Good afternoon everyone. After the end of this quarter-final match, we have in midst of us the principal for Kohinoor International School, Mr. Dipali Nene, as our chief guest for the match.
Congratulations on your splendid effort. Also congratulate SM Shetty School for putting up a fight. So congratulations to you too. You may have lost the match today, but you'll have many more matches to come. Am I right? It's not the end of the world for us, right? And you won the quarterfinal, so you have now have the semi-final to look forward to. So all the very best. Do you know who you're playing against? There is another quarterfinal coming up now. Okay, and then you will know who you're facing. So which are the two probable teams? Which?
Campion or Cathedral?
No.
Campion and Cathedral.
Okay. So I wish you all the very best. I am sure that this win, behind this win, you all must have thought about how to go about things. Yes? So who's your captain? Sorry, what's your name?
Come here, no?
Come here. Yes, you did. Did you have any strategy when you went in to play this match today?
Yeah, we kind of did. Pacers, which is Yugam,
Okay.
Brandon,
Yes.
Adnan, Divya. So I told them, the pitch was like that, so don't go short. It's easier to hit it here.
Okay.
And it's my first game, because the first two games I didn't play because I was last time.
Oh, wow. So you managed without a captain? Okay.
So I told them not to go short. They did it really well. Proud of these guys. All of them contributed in one way or the other. It's not like it was a solo performance by them.
Okay, that's well said, like the true captain of a team.
You will, he did really well. He bowled really well. He bowled his full 3 overs and he batted at the end. So we could have won this game without doing it.
Okay. So all the very best for your next match. I do hope you come up with flying colours for that match too. All the very best to all of you. I just have one small piece of advice for each one of you here, whether you won or not. I just feel that no matter what happens, always dream big. Dream really huge, really huge. You may have your own idols, right? Some of you may have thought that Sachin Tendulkar is the best, or maybe now Mahendra Singh Dhoni, or maybe Shikhar Dhawan, I don't know. Who of you idolizes who? So you all have one person or the other, and you can definitely reach that, but the key to that lies behind dreaming really huge and really big. But before you do that, you need to plan and strategize. Can you just dream big and stop at that? So you've got to work really hard, work smart, and all the very best for all your future endeavors. All the best.
Now I hope you guys will remember all the words that she said.
No, I'm sure they're just in a mood to celebrate. So just go ahead and celebrate.
Studies also important, not only sports.
Sorry?
Studies also important.
No, actually what you're saying is true, but I also want to add one little thing to this because your sir has said this. Sports is very important because I feel no matter what you decide you want to do ahead, whether you want to be a cricketer or maybe you don't want to be a cricketer, you want to be a lawyer, a doctor, or maybe a social worker, I don't know what is it that you have in mind. But don't ever give up on your sports because it really helps you relax, helps you focus, okay, and work very hard. You're working hard, quality comes through a sport, and then you can apply it anywhere, wherever you decide you want to go ahead, right? So keep that in mind. And yes, now your sir is insisting that you should even focus on academics, so then I'm joining him and saying, okay, focus on academics too. Okay, all the best. Thank you so much. Thanks so much.
Excuse me, one second.